It is not easy to take a bath at 6 degrees. Revolver, the place that justifies comfort and safety in Darjeeling. This is one of the best homestays in Darjeeling. This room downstairs is the lobby cum kitchen area where you can eat your lunch or dinner and have some cozy moments with all your family members or friends. You will find beautiful flowers while you walk upstairs, but prior to that, on the right hand side is the Prudence. Prudence is specifically taken by families or if you are traveling in a group. It has two rooms and an attached bathroom. These are coffee beans left open for drying up. Uh, I once ordered a Vietnamese coffee. I believe these coffee beans were used, and the taste was awesome. Let me tell you, the best part of staying here is that the owners absolutely take care of your small requirements, be it the sanitization part or be it providing soaps, medical kit, or a hand wash. They even provide diapers if there's a baby along with you. And yes, it's free of cost. Few rooms have stunning views, and most importantly, they have bed warmers in each room. The owners stay in this beautiful cottage just beside the staircase, and they are just a phone away. So, this is the main entrance of the place upstairs. There's a small area with a chair and an ashtray, a place to keep your keys, a small message, and it's based on the theme of the band Beatles. So, the name of the place is Revolver with five rooms based on the names of the band members. There is a temperature sensor. Right now it's around 10.5 degrees. It's freezing out here. Here you can enjoy the view through the glass panes and a beautiful message written out here. Carpe diem. Seize the day, my friend. Stop worrying about the future. Live in the present. I would again appreciate the effort of the owners for taking care of little details. For example, keeping this sanitizer over here at the doorstep where it is required the most. So I'm entering the sitting area. On the left hand side, there is a sofa, there is a fridge, and a TV for show. You will find the switches here, and above the switches, the instructions are written. where there are basic guidelines. For example, you need to put off these switches and the lights if not in use. There's a thermos flask out here where 24 hours hot water facility is there. There's also a filter. Now if you just again notice the detailing that they have done, two dustbins, one for the liquid waste and another for the dry waste. There's a cactus and the picture of the band Beatles. You will also find nice photo frames and pictures of the Beatlemania that was there once upon a time. These are fancy currency notes. This is a nice setup to keep the visitors warm during the cold days. So there's a setup of a burner, coal is also there. So nice, comfortable place. You just ask for it, you have the facility. These are nice wooden logs chunked out of the trees. Interesting, isn't it? There's also a tea kettle. You want to have coffee or tea, you can have it. So these are the names of the rooms. The first one on the left hand side is John. So this red box is specifically for keeping the door keys. If you do not want to carry with them while going out, you can keep it there. And there's a lock with a separate password so that your keys are not stolen by anyone. This is the second room on the left hand side, which is Brian. This is the last room on the left hand side, which is Paul. Paul is relatively a bigger room than the other rooms, specifically Paul and George on the opposite end. Last but not the least, this is my room, which is Ringo. Let's go inside. So, on the left hand side, enough space to keep your luggage, a jug with clean water and glasses, set of instructions on the back side of the door. The walls are pretty clean, nice decor. Wonderful messages over the wall. This is the key. Interesting, isn't it? Now, let me tell you the best part. The Wi Fi facility that they provide is super strong. So, if you want to come to the hills, stay here, and work from the mountains, this is the best place. Mark my words, this is the best place in Darjeeling. Now let me show you. That's the bed warmer. There is a telephone. If you need to call the owners, you can call and order something. There is a menu card as well. There's a dustbin. Remotes are there for the TV, which I don't see. There is a lamp. This is the window, and there is a bed switch as well. So you do not have to go, straight from the bed and reach out to the switches. You can just operate it while lying on the super soft bed. Now there is a sitting area. This is the cupboard on the right hand side. You can place the shoes underneath. This is the mirror, a small table, a charging point, fire extinguisher. This is the bathroom. The geyser worked absolutely fine. There was no issue with the water. Bathroom was clean and there were tissue papers. Note that when I entered the room, there was complimentary chips, biscuits and tissue papers given, which I already ate up, so I could not show you guys. There's the hand wash. There's a Dettol soap given as well, and this is the geyser, which worked absolutely fine. There was also a mattress given inside the bathroom on the floor so that I do not slip over. This is the cupboard. The towel given was super clean, and inside the cupboard were extra cushions. This was the medical kit that was provided, which had cotton, crepe bandages, band-aids and other stuffs. Trust me guys, this is the best place in Darjeeling, Revolver Homestay. Please do come and stay here. I am Ishan and you are watching my channel Ishan and Beyond. I make videos about life's experiences. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe.